Hello, I'm Mohamed Hamdan, participating from Egypt with my teammate Mohamed Maher. Our project is called Mouseless. Mouse is basically a software to interact with any technology, with any interface like ATM or computers or laptops, only using your head and a camera. Giving the ability to do a lot of actions with your face gestures and move precisely with your head using head movement. Made by using different algorithms like vision transformers and Kalman filter and exponential moving average.